Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize SEMrush for keyword research, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your SEMrush account. Once logged in, navigate to the keyword research section located in the left-hand menu. Select Keyword Overview to explore individual keywords. Enter your target keyword into the search bar and click Search. Review the summary page to understand the keyword search volume, keyword difficulty, and trends. Scroll down to see the related keywords section for additional ideas. Take note of the suggested keywords and their metrics to expand your list. Next, click on Keyword Magic tool for a comprehensive view of keyword variations. In the Keyword Magic tool, enter your main keyword and press Search. Filter the results based on your needs by adjusting the search volume, keyword difficulty, and intent. Look out for long-tail keywords, as they can often yield better results. Add relevant keywords to your keyword pool for easy access later. Switch to the Keyword Variations tab to find synonyms and related phrases. Explore the Questions tab to discover common questions people ask about your keyword. This can help you create content that directly addresses user queries. Next, utilize the SERP analysis feature to see the competition for your selected keywords. Identify the top ranking pages and analyze their content structure. Assess their strengths and weaknesses to inform your strategy. You can also export your selected keywords and data by clicking the Export button. After compiling your keywords, organize them based on themes or topics for better planning. Finally, revisit SEMrush regularly to adjust your keyword strategy based on performance and emerging trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.